Well, hello and welcome to my bedroom. I'm essentially Meg, and this week I am packing to go to California for the weekend to go to a friend's wedding. Now, you might be looking at this on the bed and say, a weekend? But I will be flying Southwest, which means that I can check a bag for free, and why not take advantage of the extra space? So I'm going to purposefully overpack so that I give myself lots of options for whatever I want to wear on the days that I'm there. So we are going to be flying out Friday night and arriving late on Friday. We will be Saturday morning. I think we'll be going kayaking possibly, so definitely need a swimsuit there. The wedding is at sunset on Saturday, so we'll probably end up hanging out and doing things on Saturday afternoon. And then, of course, you have to dress for the wedding, which I've been informed it's a little bit more of a casual beach wedding, like maxi dress style, doesn't need to be formal or anything. So I've gotten myself a couple of options for that because I'm not entirely sure what I want to wear. And then on Sunday, it'll be another kind of like hangout day with the group. And Monday morning, we're planning on exploring San Diego because I've never been to San Diego. So I definitely need a few different outfits. We could possibly go hiking. We're probably going to go to the beach at some point, other than the wedding, of course, and just need options here. So because everything's open-ended, I've given myself plenty to work with and figured I'd take you along with packing. So most of this video is going to be a time lapse. Enjoy! So, as you can see, I easily fit everything inside of my suitcase, so that means that I won't really need to bring a carry-on. I will be bringing a backpack with like my tablet and a couple of entertainment items in it, really. Water bottle, that kind of stuff. I'll be wearing my hat, and I'll be wearing pretty comfy clothes similar to this, but I'm pretty much all packed and ready to go for my trip to California. I hope that you enjoyed this hopefully satisfying packing video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe down below. The question of the day is, have you ever been to San Diego? I'm looking forward to visiting for the first time this weekend and hope to be back again someday if it's all that it's cracked up to be. I'm really looking forward to attending a beautiful wedding on the beach, and I am more than prepared now. This past weekend, I went up to Wisconsin to attend my best friend's wedding. Last week's video was about the speech that I made at that wedding, and I'm planning on next week's video to be a combined travel vlog between going to Wisconsin again and to go to California. So I'll be sharing a little bit of footage that I've taken along that journey, and I hope that you guys stick around to watch that. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.